Where have you been all these days, Sanjay? I was not feeling well. Did you write a leave application for it? No, sir. You have to submit a leave application in advance in case you are sick. Share it now and make sure to take care of it next time or strict action will be taken. Sorry, sir. I will share it and make sure it doesn't happen next time. Hello, friends. If you want to avoid a situation like this, then in this video, I will walk you through the process of writing a leave letter for sick leave. So let's get started. Let's first learn the format of a formal letter. First, we need to write the sender's details. Here, the sender's name and address will come. Number 2, date on which the letter is written. For example, 1st November 2023. Number 3, receiver's detail. Here, receiver's name and address will come. Number 4, subject. It is used so that the reader immediately knows what your letter is about. Number 5, salutation. A salutation is a greeting used in a letter. Generally, we use dear or respected sir or madam. Number 6, body. The body of the letter contains the actual message. It is usually divided into 3 subcategories: the introduction, main content, and summary. The introductory paragraph states the purpose of the letter. The main content conveys all the necessary detailed information. And the last paragraph summarizes the information provided. Number 7, complimentary close. It is the way to end the letter. We generally use yours faithfully or yours sincerely. And number 8, sender's name and contact details. You may add contact details such as mobile number, email ID or designation if required. This is the overall format of a formal letter. There might be some variation in it. Please check with your teacher once and follow the format suggested by him or her. Now let's learn how to write a sick leave letter. There are 5 key elements to be covered while writing a sick leave letter. Number 1, who. Begin the letter by addressing the recipient. Example, dear principal. Number 2, what. Clearly state the purpose of writing the letter. In our case, it is requesting sick leave. Number 3, why. Explain the reason you want the leave in detail. Number 4, when. Clearly mention the start date and end date of your leave. And number 5, how. Describe your plan for handling your responsibilities during the absence, such as making up for missed assignments and providing a medical certificate upon your return. So these are the things that you must add while writing a sick leave letter. Now, let's look into an example of writing a sick leave application. You are Sumit Kumar, a student of 10th class at ETS School, Ahmedabad. You have been diagnosed with a severe fever and need to take sick leave from 2nd November 2023 to 8th November 2023. Write a formal letter to the principal of your school requesting the sick leave. You may pause and reread the question again. Let's follow the format that we learned and start writing the letter. First, let's write the sender's detail. Sumit Kumar, Ashok Vihar, Ahmedabad. Next comes the date of writing the letter, which is 1st November 2023. Next, let's write the receiver's detail. The principal, ETS School, JP Nagar, Ahmedabad. Now, let's write the subject. Subject, application for sick leave. Now, let's write the salutation. Respected sir or madam. Next comes the main part, which is the body. It will be something like this. I am writing to request sick leave due to illness. I am a student of 10th class at ETS school. I have been diagnosed with a high fever and my doctor has advised me to take a few days of rest to recover. As a result, I will not be able to attend school from 2nd November 2023 to 8th November 2023. I will ensure that I make up for any missed assignments during my absence. I will provide a medical certificate from my doctor upon my return to school. I kindly request your permission to grant me leave for these days. I look forward to your positive response. Here we have clearly mentioned the purpose of writing the letter, why we require sick leave, from when to when it is needed, and how we will manage during this time. Next comes the complimentary clause, yours sincerely. And finally, the sender's name and contact details, Sumit Kumar and contact number. So in this way, you may write an application for sick leave. You may pause and review this application. Now it's time for exercise. Please answer each question with a simple yes or no. In Sumit Kumar's sick leave example, did he forgot to explain why he needed leave? In the example letter, did Sumit Kumar commit to providing a medical certificate upon return? Is it required to mention the dates of your absence in a sick leave letter? Yes or no? Pause the video, solve the exercise and message your answers in the comments. I will give hearts to your answers. I hope you would have given the correct answers. And to know the correct answers, please check the description of the video. That's all in this video. Let's quickly revise what we learned in this lesson. First, we understood the format of a formal letter, which includes 8 essential elements. Number 1, sender's detail. Number 2, date on which letter is written. Number 3, receiver's detail. Number 4, subject. Number 5, salutation. Number 6, body. Number 7, complimentary clause. And number 8, sender's name and contact details. Next, we understood the 5 key elements that must be there while writing a sick leave application. Number 1, who you are writing the letter to. Number 2, what is the purpose of writing the letter. Number 3, why do you want the sick leave. Number 4, when do you want the leaves. And number 5, how you will handle the situation of your absence. Next, we looked into an example of it. Finally, I gave you an exercise whose answers you will be giving me in the comments. Thank you for watching the video. If you would like to have any other English grammar or writing lessons to be covered, please message me in the comments. Please like, share, comment and subscribe in case you found the video helpful. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.